Hello, my old school soul food family. Chef Jeff is back with another video. All right, y'all, I'm showing y'all a special video today. This is Monday motivational menu idea segment. I'm gonna dedicate this to an individual that was very influential to me starting a YouTube channel. His name was Daddy Jack Chaplin. And we lost Daddy Jack Chaplin about a year ago. I think he died May 12th, if I'm not forgetting, of last year. And when you get this video, it'll be what, May 8th? So it'll be this week that he passed away. He's 62 years old, so young. I saw this guy. I happened to find him on YouTube. One day I was looking for chicken fried steak. You know, just see how many people, different people make chicken fried steaks. And his video popped up of this. Poor man's chicken fried steak. I'm saying, what is a poor man's chicken fried steak? And what it is, y'all, it was very creative. That's what I loved about him. I'm gonna tell you that in a minute. It was a hamburger patty, bread up and fried like a chicken fried steak and put some gravy over it. I said, man, that is the most amazing thing I ever heard of in my life. So I'm gonna recreate that today in memory of him, my buddy. I'm gonna use his blackened seasoning that he sent to me right here. We used to text back and forth. I never had the opportunity to meet him. I had it in works to meet him and really where I could actually shake his hand and show him appreciation for really adamant. What resonated with me with him and his videos that I used to watch was in his actual kitchen in his restaurant. Cooking in the kitchen, the skillets, all the fire. If you never worked in a saute line on a real hot line, like jamming in the kitchen with 8, 9 cooks, the fire is always going on the stove. The skillets are always on the fire. And these skillets we use in the kitchen, they so hot, they just warp. And that's just the way they are. And you just keep working with them. And he had skillets like that. He had his chicken and his beef stock right up on his stove right there. Like in a regular kitchen, you have your beef stock, chicken stock, and you use it. You don't measure nothing on the line. When you get an order, what they call a la minute, that means to order. And you just throw this in there. You need a sauce. Throw the onions, garlic, peppers, or whatever. Your cream, your sauce. Make your sauce right on the line, and you just jamming it out. And that's what he was doing. And I watched so many videos. I think this man had 400 or 500 videos. And I used to just binge watch him all night long, just armored that this guy was jamming. That's what I did. And I resonated to him. And later on, and the COVID hit, he started cooking in his home. He still did it a certain way that he would just creative stuff. Didn't go by no measurements and nothing like that, and just create dishes. That's how I do. And I was very resonated to him. And the guy just had a heart of gold. It broke my heart. I was in Las Vegas last year on vacation in last May. I never forget it. And I got word. I knew he was sick in the hospital. He had triple bypass, seemed like a year before, and he got over and he just said he had complications. And I think he's gonna get all right. And they say he passed away. That just messed me up. My whole trip, it just really stunned me. Because we had just emailed a couple weeks before. He sent me some seasoning stuff, emailing back and forth and stuff like that. Awesome individual. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna dedicate this for this first video I ever saw him do, called Poor Man's Chicken Fried Steak. And I'm gonna try to do it the best way I can. And I'm gonna dedicate this to him. And I hope his beautiful daughters watching, Keisha, his partner there, Titus, I will say his stepson, and then Axel, his little boxer there. All of them. I mean, I know they all still missing Daddy Jack, because I miss him just as much. So, anyway, y'all, let me get started. Like I said, I'm going to use his blackened seasoning. I'm going to season it with this. And I got a 90-10 hamburger patty here. Regular ground meat hamburger patty. I'm going to season it really good. What I'm going to do, I got my skillet heating up over here to my left. And what I'm going to do, I'm going to double bread this hamburger patty, y'all. I'm going to do flour, egg in the skillet. A little flour in the egg. Flour. I think he double did here. Egg. Back in the flour. And into the grease, y'all. Put it right into the oil. Do the next one here. I think I did it back. I think he did eggs, flour. Anyway, he double did it. So we're going to put flour, egg, flour. Flour, Just like this, yeah. And into the oil. Now, a little messy, but oh my God. I say this is so ingenious. Let me move y'all over to the skillet here. So ingenious. So what I'm gonna do, because I got my oil heating up here, I'm gonna let this start frying. And I'm gonna come back here, I'm gonna clean up a little bit. There's flour everywhere, y'all. If I had a big kitchen like he did, you know, I'm cooking in the big kitchen, won't be no big deal. But I'm gonna let this fry here. I'm gonna come back. Once it's turned over and stuff, I'm gonna throw it in the oven. Come back, I'm gonna do the gravy just like he did here. So anyway, y'all, I'm gonna be right back. All right, y'all, we back. Look at this, y'all. I just turned it over. I'm gonna let it cook on this side about 5 or 6 minutes. And I'm gonna take it out of here. And I'm gonna let this, you know, like he did. He put it in the oven, let it finish in the oven. And while it's in the oven, I got some bacon over here, some onions. And I'm gonna make this onion bacon gravy just like he did for the go on top. I'm telling y'all, I never did this before on camera. I did a little bit, you know, actually in the restaurant where I worked before. I did it one day just to see how, this is absolutely amazing. I say this, when he did it, I say, why haven't I thought of that? I say, that's really good. Instead of buying a round steak or a club steak, but you don't know it's always gonna be tender, do a hamburger patty. It's the same pretty much thing. And you know it's gonna be tender and flavorful. Awesome idea. Poor man's chicken fried steak. So we'll be right back. Poor man's chicken fried steak dedicated to my buddy Chef Daddy Jack Chaplin. Monday motivational menu idea segment. Just getting started. We'll be right back. All right, y'all, we back. Okay, y'all. Of course, this is not completely done. So what I'm gonna do, y'all, I'm gonna step off. I'm gonna put this in the oven. And when I come back, I'm gonna got some, like I say, I got some bacon here. I got some white onions and a little half and half. He used cream. I'm gonna use half and half. I ain't gonna go as heavy as he did. And I'm gonna make this skillet gravy. And by the time the skillet gravy is ready, we got it. The hamburgers will be, well, it's really chicken fried steak, chicken fried hamburger, however you want to say it. Poor man's chicken fried steak. Say it just like he did it. We'll be ready. Plate that up. And I'm gonna top it with his signature topping garnish that he used on every dish. And I'm gonna show you what he used on every dish that he did. If you ever watch his video, it's something that he put on every dish at the end. I'm gonna do it just like he did, just like him did. So anyway, y'all, we'll be right back. All right, y'all, we back. Okay, skillet is still hot. Okay, we're gonna put some bacon in here, y'all. Oh yeah, you know anything with bacon gotta be good, right? Got to be good. And I took the oil out, and I might have to add a little bit of oil in here in a second after I get this bacon kind of rendered down a little to kind of make my gravy if this doesn't make enough grease. Oh yeah. Can't go wrong with this, y'all. You know, it smells amazing in here. But yeah, he would get in the kitchen. I'm telling you, he got all the burners is sky high. That's what we do. You call all the burners is high. You got the chicken stock here, your beef stock, whatever stocks you needed, right there at your disposal. And that's how you cook in the kitchen, y'all. I'm gonna let y'all watch that while I grab something here. I wish you could kind of smell the aromas right here in the kitchen right now. Smells absolutely amazing. I'm working alone today, y'all. It's Sunday afternoon right now. Just got home from a big Mother's Day. Spending time with my mom. I took me a little nap there, and I said, let me get up and do a video for Monday. So I'm gonna do this one right here. Okay, bacon's kind of rendered. Now we're gonna throw the onions in here. And I hope y'all had an awesome Mother's Day yesterday. It'll be yesterday when I'm talking to y'all, but it's the day for me. It smells absolutely amazing, y'all. Can't go wrong with onions and bacon cooking. All right. All right. I'm gonna get a little thing here for I'm gonna add a little flour to this, y'all. Add a little flour to this. And I'm putting a little chicken base in here with with some water, making some homemade chicken stock. Okay, y'all can see this. Like I said, I don't have Dylan here. Dylan got me spoiled, y'all. He got me spoiled being a cameraman now. I don't have him with me today. He don't work on weekends. I don't have none of my people work on weekends. Okay. Okay, got this here. Oh yeah. Now, we're gonna add a little flour to this. Just a little flour to this, y'all. Oh look, just enough to kind of thicken this gravy. When I add my chicken stock and my cream to this, a little bit more in here, y'all. With him, he made it look so easy, y'all. I'm telling you. I'm gonna put a link to that video. I think that video was made back in 2014. That's how old the video is. And I'm gonna put a link, if I don't forget, in the end of this video or in the description of this video to his and I'm not gonna put a recipe for this because there's no recipe for this. He didn't have a recipe for it in his link, and I'm gonna do just like he did. I'm not gonna put one either. Y'all just have to watch this and hope you can do it just like I'm doing it. Okay. Get this here kind of going up here. Now he's gonna I'm gonna put some, like he did, throw this cream in here. Which I'm using half and half. I'm not using cream. We're gonna let this simmer here. So it's gonna take about 2 or 3 minutes for it to come to a full thickening. So I'm gonna be right back here, y'all, in about 2 or 3 minutes after this thicken, and we're gonna show you this gravy here. So Monday Motivation Menu, ideal favorite, dedicated to my buddy Chef Daddy Jack, almost finished. We'll be right back. All right, y'all, we back. Okay, see how this starting to thicken? Okay, now let me check my seasonings. I know I'm gonna have to add some salt and pepper to this. And y'all know I like to put black pepper in my gravy. A little black pepper. Actually, I just need a little salt and pepper because that chicken base, it has salt and pepper. See this? Look at that, y'all. Good gravy right there. So what I'm gonna let this kind of sit here a little bit and hang out, and then when my meat is ready, meat got about 2 or 3 more minutes, I'm gonna take it out and we're gonna pour some of this on there, and I'm gonna put his signature garnish on there, y'all, and we're gonna be ready to eat here. We're gonna try this out, old school soul food style. I hope I'm making him proud. I hope make Daddy Jack proud. He looking down on everybody right now, making sure they cooperating here. So anyway, y'all, we'll be right back. All right, y'all, I'm back. Okay, I got one there on the plate here. Now I'm gonna plate this up here in front of y'all, and then I'm gonna make my thumbnail. I got the good gravy here, that good gravy that I made. We're gonna screw some of that on top of there like this. I'll cover the whole thing, y'all. Look at that. Look at that. Now, one thing missing, his signature, his green onions, y'all. He put green onions on every dish. He garnished with his green onions, and that's what he did. That's Daddy Jack style right there. So anyway, y'all, I'm gonna step back, do this world famous YouTube thumbnail. We're gonna come back and we're gonna check this out. So anyway, we'll be right back. All right, y'all, we back. All right, y'all. Look at here, right here, y'all. Don't that look good? That look good enough to eat, huh? Do Daddy Jack proud. Okay, let's check it out here. I know you don't need no knife for this, because all this is, y'all, like I said, is a hamburger patty. Oh, yeah. I like mine like a little medium in there, y'all. A medium well in there. That's perfect. Look at that. Look at that, y'all. Let's check this out. Daddy Jack, I'm telling you. I don't know what to say. I miss you, big guy. That's all I can say. You were one of the best. Wow. It's so good, y'all. Chicken fried hamburger patty. Who would have thought it, huh? Who would have thought it? But All you need, some mashed potatoes from corn, y'all. It's all good for me. But anyway, y'all, if you like this video, please share, please comment, please subscribe. Please follow my other social media accounts: Facebook, YouTube, Instagram, Twitter, Twitch TV, Pinterest, and oldschoolsoulfood.com. Remember the hashtag 2022, helping others with a purpose. Old School Soul Food. Until next time, have a blessed Old School Soul Food day. And I will see y'all in the next video. And like my daddy, Buddy Jack, would say, peace.